In this podcast episode, Bruce Lipton, a cellular biologist, discusses the concept of epigenetics and how it impacts our lives. Lipton emphasizes the idea that we are responsible for the life we are living and that our beliefs and programs play a significant role in shaping our reality. Lipton explains that our lives are largely influenced by our subconscious programs, which are formed during the first 7 years of our lives. These programs are acquired through observation of our environment, primarily from our parents and caregivers. He highlights that 95% of our day is spent running these subconscious programs, which often consist of disempowering, self-sabotaging, or limiting beliefs. The conversation shifts to the field of epigenetics, which challenges the traditional belief that genes determine our destiny. Lipton explains that epigenetics reveals how our consciousness can influence gene expression, ultimately giving us the power to control our biology and health. He debunks the myth that genes alone cause diseases like cancer, emphasizing that it is our consciousness and behavior that play a significant role in our overall well-being. Lipton encourages listeners to break free from limiting beliefs and take control of their lives by reprogramming their subconscious mind. He shares examples of individuals who have transformed their lives by changing their beliefs and behaviors, leading to profound shifts in their reality. He emphasizes the importance of self-awareness and conscious choice in creating a life aligned with one's true desires. He discusses the importance of shifting from a victim mentality to one of empowerment, where individuals recognize their role in creating their experiences. Lipton explains that the subconscious mind is like a hard drive that stores all our beliefs and programs. He outlines 3 ways to reprogram the subconscious mind: self-hypnosis, repetition, and energy psychology. Self-hypnosis involves entering a theta state before sleep and listening to positive affirmations to reprogram the mind. Repetition of new behaviors and beliefs can also create new habits and overwrite old programming. Energy psychology techniques, such as balancing both hemispheres of the brain through physical exercises, can help integrate new beliefs and behaviors into the subconscious mind. Lipton delves into the impact of stress on our health and well-being. He explains that stress triggers the release of stress hormones, which have 3 main consequences on the body. Firstly, stress hormones cause blood vessels in the gut to constrict, redirecting blood flow to the arms and legs for fight or flight responses. Secondly, stress hormones suppress the immune system to conserve energy for immediate stressors. Lastly, stress hormones shut down the conscious brain's frontal cortex, leading to reflexive behavior and decreased cognitive function. He highlights that chronic stress can lead to a range of health issues as the body remains in a constant state of stress response. Lipton discusses the importance of gratitude in breaking free from limiting beliefs and programs. He emphasizes that self-love and feeling safe are fundamental beliefs that many people struggle with due to childhood experiences. By practicing gratitude and affirming positive beliefs, individuals can shift their subconscious programming towards self-love and safety. He also introduces muscle testing as a tool to assess the alignment between conscious beliefs and subconscious programming. By testing statements and observing muscle responses, individuals can identify conflicting beliefs and work towards resolving them through reprogramming techniques. Lipton shares personal anecdotes of how reprogramming his subconscious mind led to significant transformations in his life. He recounts overcoming relationship challenges by changing his beliefs around love and self-worth, leading to a fulfilling partnership. Additionally, he describes how reprogramming his beliefs around writing a book enabled him to complete the project effortlessly and joyfully. Lipton introduces the concept of telomeres, which are essential for maintaining the length of our DNA strands and ultimately our longevity. Telomeres are crucial for preserving the integrity of our DNA strands and preventing genetic damage. Lipton explains that telomeres can be extended by activating the enzyme telomerase, which plays a key role in maintaining our genetic code. He highlights the connection between consciousness, stress, and the functioning of telomerase. Positive beliefs, gratitude, and love can enhance the activity of telomerase, leading to longer telomeres and improved health. On the other hand, negative beliefs, stress, and lack of love can inhibit telomerase activity, resulting in shorter telomeres and potential health issues. Lipton delves into the influence of beliefs on our biology and overall well-being. He discusses how our thoughts and perceptions can shape the chemistry of our bodies, ultimately impacting our genetic expression. Positive beliefs can trigger the release of beneficial hormones and neurotransmitters, while negative beliefs can lead to the production of stress hormones that compromise our immune system. The placebo effect is highlighted as an example of how belief can influence healing, demonstrating the profound connection between mind and body. The conversation extends to the impact of culture and environment on health outcomes. Lipton explains how different regions may have varying rates of certain diseases based on cultural beliefs and lifestyle factors. He emphasizes the role of societal programming in shaping individual health behaviors and outcomes. The discussion touches on how corporate interests, particularly in the pharmaceutical industry, can prioritize profit over patient well-being, leading to exorbitant drug prices and inaccessible healthcare for many individuals. Despite the challenges posed by external influences and societal norms, Lipton advocates for reclaiming personal power and taking control of one's health. He encourages individuals to challenge limiting beliefs, cultivate gratitude, and embrace a positive mindset to promote overall well-being. By recognizing the interconnectedness of mind, body, and environment, individuals can empower themselves to make informed choices and prioritize their health and vitality. Lipton acknowledges the altruistic intentions of healthcare professionals but highlights the systemic challenges within the medical industry. He discusses how medical education can often strip students of their initial passion and idealism, leading to disillusionment and burnout. The influence of pharmaceutical companies on medical curriculum and practices is critiqued, with a focus on profit-driven motives that may overshadow patient care and well-being. In a broader context, Lipton reflects on humanity as a collective organism, with each individual playing a role in the larger whole. He draws parallels between individual beliefs and behaviors and the collective consciousness of society, noting how these factors can contribute to global issues such as war, bigotry, and planetary disease. By recognizing our interconnectedness and the power of collective consciousness, he suggests that positive change can be initiated through individual awakening and empowerment. Lipton continues by challenging the widely accepted Darwinian theory of evolution, highlighting the importance of adaptation and harmony in the process of evolution. He explains how Lamar's theory of adaptation, based on the interchange of information between the environment and genetics, differs from Darwin's theory of competition and survival of the fittest. He delves into the concept of energy and how everything in the universe, including humans, is made up of energy. Lipton explains the idea of constructive and destructive interference between atoms, emphasizing how energy fields interact and influence our lives. He discusses the importance of recognizing and understanding energy fields, as they play a crucial role in shaping our experiences and decisions. Lipton introduces the concept of self-receptors on cells, which determine an individual's unique set of receptors that receive signals from the environment. He explains how no two people have the same set of self-receptors, indicating that each person is receiving a different broadcast or energy signal. This insight leads to the realization that individuals are not just physical bodies, but are actually broadcasting energy fields or spirits. He further explores the idea that individuals are the broadcast or spirit playing through their physical bodies, which act as virtual reality suits. Lipton discusses how our thoughts are not contained within our heads, but are broadcasted through the energy field. This understanding shifts the perspective on human existence, suggesting that individuals are creators born into a state of heaven on earth to experience and create within this virtual reality. He highlights the beauty of the world and the potential for positive creations when individuals come together with similar energy broadcasts. Lipton challenges the traditional notion of heaven as a place to go after death, proposing that individuals are already in a state of heaven on earth, where they have the opportunity to create and experience life to its fullest. Lipton reflects on the global response to the COVID-19 pandemic, as a form of total control exerted by a small group of individuals. He discusses how the lack of community and disempowerment of individuals during the pandemic highlighted the importance of knowledge and empowerment. He warns of the potential collapse of civilization and the need for people to awaken to their power and create new communities based on harmony and health. Lipton challenges the conventional notion of love as solely a romantic relationship and expands it to encompass a state of being. He explains that love can be found in various aspects of life, such as passion for work, creativity, and connection with nature. He emphasizes the importance of self-love and happiness as foundational elements for attracting positive relationships and experiences in life.